Welcome, today I'm in Alfa Romeo Giulia and I will show you how you can hard reset your system. So first we have to take a look on the screen and go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down and go all the way down to the system, and then we have to scroll down again at the bottom where you can find to restore all settings. When you click once and then scroll to the OK, we have to click confirm, and after that we will be restore all of the values of the settings to the factory defaults. Of course, I'm not going to make it, but if you want, just click OK and confirm. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.